Welcome to ArtMagic.
Drawing a toolbox can be a fun and educational activity for kids. This step-by-step guide will help children learn how to draw a toolbox and color it beautifully. Let's get started. Once you're happy with your pencil drawing, carefully trace over it with a black marker or pen. This makes your toolbox stand out and prepares it for coloring. Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, ArtMagic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, you know, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.